Welcome back. Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli headed on Thursday the Cabinet weekly meeting in the new Alamein headquarters. The meeting covered the latest measures taken to curb the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing vaccination campaign. During the meeting, the Premier gave directives to accelerate the vaccination process for the individuals in the education sector before the beginning of the academic year. Minister of Health Hele Zaid said that the number of vaccination centres have been increased to 678 centres, adding that 1.3 million government employees were vaccinated. The ministers also reviewed a number of draft laws and developments related to the implementation of the national projects. The Cabinet also discussed measures to carry out the assignments of President Fattah al-Sisi regarding the social security networks, upgrading health, education and transport services, as well as measures to support the low-income brackets. The Ministry of Health announced that Egypt has released the first 1 million doses of its locally produced Sinovac Vasera. Completion of the required evaluation tests. The manufacturing of the Sinovac doses in part of an agreement signed between the Egyptian holding company for biological projects and vaccinations Vasera and the Chinese biopharmaceutical company Sinovac. The doses were produced early in July, with the country planning to manufacture 40 million doses of Chinese vaccine by the end of the year at Vasera factories. The release comes only 2 days after the Egyptian Drug Authority, EDA, granted the Sinovac Vasera vaccine an emergency use license. The 1 million doses have been distributed to coronavirus vaccination centres nationwide, totaling 657 so far, including 145 centres for those travelling abroad. Egypt reported on Wednesday 203 new coronavirus infections, bringing the total number of cases to 286,938 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February of last year. The Health Ministry also reported 8 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 16,691. The ministry added that 311 patients were discharged from hospitals, rising the number of those who have recovered to 236,539 people.